Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 3 different job opportunities that you can do from home. And the first job right here is for Hippo Education. They're looking for a copywriter. It pays up to $27 an hour. Hippo Education is on a mission to empower the people of medicine to learn, grow, and thrive by creating education and community. Our hardworking and quick go-live crew creates exceptional medical education and products through our platform that hosts podcasts, video courses, and more to keep clinicians up to date and at their best. We have a team of over 40 with some working at the main studio in Los Angeles while most of us work remotely all across the US. Hippo's a fantastic place to work, and we're genuinely proud of the impact we have on clinicians and their patients. This is what they're looking for. The Hippo team is looking for a part-time copywriter. As Hippo's lead copywriter, you'll be responsible for working with marketing to establish the voice and tone of Hippo's messaging and communication. You'll collaborate closely with the clinical and product teams to translate innovative products into creative and compelling copy for emails, sales pages, and more. You'll effectively communicate the value of our products to ultimately empower clinicians with the resources they need to thrive in clinical practice. Some of your responsibilities will be write and optimize copy for marketing broadcast emails, automated email marketing, web pages, marketing assets, and social media copy. Your skills and abilities will be 4+ years of copywriting experience, superb writer with an ability to write compelling marketing copy, ability to understand complex, nuanced products and ideas and communicate them in a clear, succinct way, excellent communication and time management skills, proven ability to work in a fast-paced, ever-changing environment, proven ability to manage multiple projects at once. To apply, please submit your resume, cover letter, and samples of work. We love to hear from you. It pays up to $27 an hour. At least 1 year of email marketing required and at least 4 years of copywriting required. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 2 more jobs right here, and also on this channel, we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day. So all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. This next job is for Tutorcom. They're looking for online nutrition and dietetics tutor. Pays up to $17 an hour. Tutor students from around the world from the comfort of your own home. Tutor.com is looking to bring an additional online nutrition and dietetics tutors for rewarding work that can make a difference. Online tutoring is one of the top work from home positions. Our service operates 24/7, which gives our tutors the flexibility to set their own schedule. Our clients are both public and institutional, so tutors do not need to perform any business development. We bring our clients to you. We're accepting applications for the following subjects: science, writing, humanities, mathematics, social science, computer science, and many more. Some of the perks of online tutoring are you can earn money and work from home, work from your dorm or office or anywhere with a stable internet connection. Choose your own hours with this flexible part-time job. Our service is 24/7. Keep your teaching skills sharp with this education job. Great resume builders for teachers. Online tutoring helps makes a difference. This job is part-time, pays up to $17 an hour. You get to self-determine your own schedule and includes supplemental pay such as bonus pay, and preferred at least your bachelor's degree, but again, it's preferred, not required. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have one more job here on this particular video, And also on the channel, we're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day. So all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you wanna be one of the first notified. This next job is for the company MeetMax. They're looking for an OBS studio operator. It pays up to $30 an hour. Livestream company seeking quality technicians to host and stream corporate events and investor conferences via OBS. Must be proficient with streaming content via OBS. At least 1+ year of experience preferred. Customer service skills required as well, since this is a client-facing position. Candidates must have high-speed internet and at least 10 Mbps upload speeds and a PC with an i5 core processor or equivalent. This is a freelance position with part-time hours scheduled based on the event calendar. The position is fully remote with the possibility to travel and work on site once live events return. Most events take place during business hours Monday to Friday, no nights or weekends. To apply, please respond with your resume and cover letter, including 2 professional references. Pays up to $30 an hour. It's a W-2 position. Bi-weekly direct deposit available. Need to be available for training August 16th to the 18th from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Recommended software and hardware, at least Windows OS, i5 processor or better, and at least 2 monitors. It is part-time, pays $30 an hour. Education-wise, they prefer an associate's degree. Experience, at least 1 year of customer relationship management preferred, at least 1 year of OBS preferred, and at least 1 year of customer service is preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 3, so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.